Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss about multiplication of fractions. I think you all are well and safe. So let us start our fourth lecture, multiplication of fractions. This is noted at the board. That means we have to explain these 4 points. The first point is multiplying a fraction by a whole number. The second point is multiplying a mixed number by a whole number. The third point is fraction as the operation of. And the fourth point is multiplication of two fractions. Okay, let's start. Multiplying a fraction by a whole number. That means you all know very well about a whole number. I think whole number always starts with 0. Here we will study about multiplying a fraction. That means any fraction. Suppose example 3 by 4 is to be multiplied with 8. Here this is in fraction and it is in whole number. When we will multiplying these two, then 8 is divided by 4. 4 2 ja, that means in numerator we see 3 and 2, and in denominator only 1 is remain. Then it will 3 2 ja 6 by 1, that means our answer will be 6. This is first point. And the second point is multiplying a mixed number by a whole number. That means mixed number, as for example 1 mixed number 2 whole 1 by 3 has to be multiplied with a whole number. That means 9. Here it is in mixed fraction, mixed number, and it is multiplied with 9. Then we gives what? This is our question. So firstly we have to 3 2 ja 6 and 1 7. That means 7 by 3 into 9. 3 3 ja 9. That means here we see that 7 3 ja 21 by 1. That means 21 is your answer. Okay. And the third one is example of third one is fraction as the operation of. That means meaning of is multiply. That means when any question arises with of, then always do it as multiplication. Suppose the question is 5 of 3 by 5 or 3 by 5 of 1 lakh. This is your question. That means at the place of we use multiply, and then it will be cut by 5. 5 2 ja 10, that means 20,000. 20,000 is your answer. Okay, we discuss about multiplication of two fractions. After some time this will be done. This is our chapter, multiplication of fractions. That means we have to explain all these fours, and after we will study about the chapter. After it we will solve our questions in one by one, which is present in your book, in your chapter. Firstly we clean our board and then we discuss. That means we have to discuss the fourth point, and the fourth point is fraction by fraction. That means multiplication of two fractions. The fourth point is multiplication of two fractions. Okay, then this is our fraction and this is our fraction. Okay, we have to multiply these two. Here we see that 3 by 4 is one fraction and the other fraction is 8 by 9. So firstly we have to cut it. We have to cut 8 from 4 2 ja 8 and 3 3 ja 9. Then we will get 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 is your answer. This is the first process. And the second process is 3 by 4 is multiplied by 8 by 9. Then you will multiply 3 by 8 and 4 by 9. You will see that 8 3 ja 24 and this will be 9 4 ja 36. And then we will cut it. We will divide it. 12 2 ja 18 2 ja 36. Here 6 9. Again 3 2 ja 6 3 3 ja 9 and 2 by 3 is our answer. This is our second process. That means here we see that 2 by 3 is the answer and here we see that also 2 by 3 is the answer. Okay, this is our 4 points which I have explained, which I have to explain, and after it we will discuss about the questions of your book. Okay, let's start. One thing that I have to explain, that means definition of multiplication. Definition of multiplication. Definition of multiplication. And the definition of multiplication is given in your book, that multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. That means repeated addition. That means when we add again, that means in a repetition process, then we get our multiplication. Okay, suppose this is the example. 3 is to be multiplied 1 by 2. Then we get 3 by 2. This is our answer. But this is multiplication process. But when we add these 3, add 1 by 2 3 times, then we also get 3 by 2. Let's see. Let's see. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 and again 1 by 2. The question is 3 has to be multiplied with 1 by 2. So this is addition method. Addition method, and we see here that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. You know very well, that means in this process which we have explained in our earlier classes, that means in third lecture. Firstly we have to take LCM of 2 and 2 and then we get 2. Here 2 is divided by 2, then we get 1 plus 1, 1 into 1, 1. Here we see also 1, here we see also 1. Then we get 3 by 2. And then we get 3 by 2. That means in multiply method 3 by 2 is arises, and in addition method 3 by 2 is also arises. So we can say that multiplication is repeated addition. Okay. If you have any problem, then you discuss me at my mobile number, which I have given you in your first classes. Okay. Then after, it can be explained such that okay, that means this is our half, and this has to be added. That means this is 1 by 2. 1 second also. This is 1 by 2 plus this is 1 by 2 plus this is 1 by 2, and we get 3 by 2 here. Okay, this is our answer. Let's we start our chapters and one question from each section. Okay, practice exercise 2.2. Let's we start our exercise 2.2. Firstly, you take a copy with a pen, and when I solve the questions, you also solve that questions one by one. Okay, then now the first one question is, multiply the following and express their products in the lowest terms. That means one number question, 4 by 7 into 5. That means you have to solve it. So firstly, this is in fraction form. It must be in fraction form. Now, if this will be cuttable, then you may be cut. And if this will be not cuttable, that means you have not to cut. So 4 is multiplied by 5, 7 is multiplied by 1, then you get 5 4 is 20, 7 1 is 7. Okay, and here 20 by 7 is your answer. But here also we say that see that denominator is lesser, numerator is greater. Then it will be in the form of mixed fraction, and for mixed fraction you have to divide 20, 7 2 is 14, then you will get 6 here. So this will be written as 7, and this is your answer. Okay, this is question number 1 of question. This is section subsection 1 of question number 1. Okay, the second question is multiply the following and express the product as mixed numbers. It has to be right in mixed numbers. So 10 is 4 whole 2 by 5. That means 10 is to be multiplied with 4 whole 2 by 1. This is in mixed fraction. Firstly, you have to change it in improper fraction. 10 by 1, then we get here 10 by 1 is equal to 5 4 are 20, 22 by 5, plus is added here, multiply is added here because we have to multiply it. 10 by 1 is to be multiplied with 22 by 5. Then we get 5 2 are 5 2 are 10 and 44 by 1, and this is your answer 44. This is rough section. Okay, 44 is your answer. This is question number 1 and this is question number 2, and we will solve our next questions in our next videos. Okay, thank you.